In today's digital landscape, affiliate marketing has evolved into one of the most accessible and profitable ways to generate income online. But what if you could combine affiliate marketing with the power of recurring revenue? Imagine earning a commission not only when someone signs up, but each time they renew their subscription. To leverage affiliate marketing effectively, you need a tool that can maximize conversions, streamline sales, and enhance customer engagement. FunnelXAi simplifies the funnel building process, enabling users to create high-converting sales funnels with minimal effort. FunnelXAi uses AI to help users design, optimize, and launch sales funnels that convert. FunnelXAi understands the importance of recurring revenue. Managing leads is crucial for affiliate marketing success. With FunnelXAi's analytics dashboard, you can track essential metrics, analyze customer behavior, and make data-driven decisions. The effectiveness of your funnels hinges on the content you provide. Identify services or products within your niche that use a subscription model. Utilize FunnelXAi's AI-driven optimizations to improve your conversion rates. Encourage long-term engagement by nurturing your audience through email campaigns. In a world where affiliate marketing and recurring revenue streams are paramount, FunnelXAi offers a unique solution for maximizing earnings. If you're ready to take control of your affiliate marketing efforts and tap into the power of recurring revenue, FunnelXAi is the tool to get you there.